Ground source energy is a way of harnessing the heat that's stored in the earth in order to heat or indeed cool buildings. For instance, the heat in the ground is approximately 11 degrees centigrade all year round in the UK. This varies slightly from the north to south. In Scotland it will be about 10 degrees centigrade, and in the south of England around London it will be approximately 12. There's not an infinite amount of heat in the earth, but there's a huge amount of heat, so it's impossible that we could possibly use all that heat up. There are different ways of harnessing the heat from the ground. Normally these involve putting tubes in the earth in order to extract that heat. So for instance, you can drill boreholes down into the ground, or you can just dig up your garden and put concentric loops in your garden and let that extract the heat. These concentric loops, because they look a bit like a slinky, called slinky arrangement. Here at the Sustainability Hub at Keele University, we have drilled 6 100-metre deep boreholes into the courtyard in order to extract heat. Through those tubes we put what's called a brine, flows turbulently around the tube and comes out into the building at 11 degrees, the Earth's temperature. It then passes through a series of equipment. It passes through the ground source heat pump, and then it passes through an expansion vessel. As you know, when you expand a gas, that increases its temperature. Therefore, the temperature is raised, and this heat can now be used to heat the building. We can raise that heat from 11 degrees up to approximately 35 or 40 degrees. It creates a very, very even heat, and as you all know, heat rises, and therefore it's probably the most efficient way of heating a building.